in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Shopify Boundless theme. Let's get started. So in order to do that, as you can see, my current theme is sent. So the first thing you need to do is in order to install the Boundless theme. So click on Add Theme right here, click on Visit Theme Store, and then this will open a new tab right here that will show all the themes that I have available on my store. So for this one, click on this search icon, then search in here for Boundless. Now, let's head over and search for this all in all. And if you can't just find it, you can actually head over in here on the all themes right here. And then from in here, you can actually just look for the Boundless theme right here. Now, if you can still see it right here, you can actually open a new tab and search for Boundless Shopify. And then head over and search for that. And then in here, if you can't find this, you can actually see that, for example, this is what it will show on the community. So if it is not working, it's because the Boundless theme has been deprecated in the Shopify Theme Store. And as you can see, this Boundless theme right here will not be available anytime soon. If you have that, you need to change into Dawn theme, which is the default theme. And we head back again. You can see in here that it is actually a theme review for the page fly. This page fly right here is actually integrated to your Shopify. So in here, you can see this valid theme, a theme not made for anyone. This is a theme right here. It looks really good, but since it's been depreciated by Shopify, you won't be able to do or use it anymore. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.